In the village nestled between two great rivers, love was a sacred thing. The villagers believed that the heart was a vessel for the gods, and that true love would heal even the deepest wounds. Azizi, a beautiful young maiden, had captured the heart of Kofi, a strong and brave warrior. Their love was pure and true, and the villagers rejoiced at their union. Kofi promised Azizi that he would love her forever, and she vowed to stand by him through thick and thin. They built a life together, farming the land and raising a family. But as the seasons passed, Kofi's eyes began to wander. He was seduced by the charms of a younger woman, Aqua, who whispered sweet nothings to his ears. Aqua's words planted seeds of doubt in Kofi's mind. He began to question Azizi's devotion and beauty. The villagers noticed the change in Kofi's behavior and warned Azizi, but she refused to believe them. Blinded by her love for Kofi, as the days went by, Kofi's affection for Azizi waned. Kofi and Aqua's affair blossomed in secret. They met in hidden places, exchanging stolen kisses and promises. Azizi sensed something was amiss but couldn't quite put her finger on it. The villagers tried to warn her, but she turned a deaf ear. Kofi's deceit wrapped around Azizi like a suffocating vine. Azizi discovered Kofi's infidelity and her world shattered. She confronted him and he could not deny anything. Aqua gloated, taunting Azizi with her youth and beauty. Azizi's heart broke into a million pieces. She wandered the village, lost and alone. The village elders gathered around Azizi, sharing tales of love and heartache. They reminded her that true love never dies, but sometimes it must let go. Azizi listened, her heart slowly healing. She realized that Kofi's betrayal was not her fault. Azizi embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She learned to tend to her own heart, nurturing it with love and care. The villagers supported her, offering words of encouragement. Slowly, Azizi's smile returned. Kofi's affair with Aqua ended in a disaster. Aqua left him for another man and Kofi was left alone. He realized too late that Azizi was the love of his life. He begged for forgiveness, but Azizi's heart was now guided. Azizi forgave Kofi, but she never forgot. She learned that love must be earned and respected. Kofi's betrayal had taught her the value of self-love. Azizi emerged from her heartbreak stronger and wiser. She found love again, this time with a man who cherished her. The villagers celebrated their union, knowing that Azizi's heart had finally found peace.